Okay, I have the rear drums off of the 1931 Model A that was setting for 40 years, and my dad bought in 1974, but he passed away about a year and a half after he had bought it when it was disassembled. And anyway, so there is the problem of with the emergency brake lever going down instead of up, because this needs to go down because there's a keyway at the bottom and that keyway needs to be at the top. So this is installed somehow upside down or incorrectly, and the service brake lever was correct. The little point should be at the right here, should be facing out. On the other side, have the same thing going on with the emergency brake. The lever should be down and it's up, so this is clocked incorrectly. And the service brake lever was not far enough back, and that's because this little piece right here that moves with the lever. You see what it does. The point is now out. I moved it. It was rotated 180 degrees, and that made this too far forward, and I couldn't get the rod connected to it. So anyway, so now I need to figure out how to reclock this so that this toggle shaft is down. So that'll be the next project, but that's what it looks like inside, with the two sets of brake shoes, one for the emergency brake and a larger one for the service brake. There we go.